My music disappeared. I don't have any, monetization in this thing, so it shouldn't really matter. Alright, guys. Let me finally make sure I got my knife. First off, I'm back with cinnamon. Yeah, it's my new WRX. It's pretty sweet. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. I got some. I don't know if you can tell what this is or not. Let me stand it up for you. RACELAND coilovers. Now, there's not too many install videos out there. And in all honesty, this one may not even end up being that good because I don't really want to edit any video software. But I'm not going to do an install video. I'm doing an unboxing video. I gotta do the bait too. Alright, so let's get crack-a-lacking. I just got this thing today. Shipping was pretty quick. Not gonna lie. Ordered it maybe, I think, Saturday, and I got it on this today, Friday, which, you know, almost a week, I guess, or something like that. It's not bad considering it came from Utah and I live in Missouri. This knife, not the sharpest thing in the world. But, there it works, right? Maybe like Braille skateboarding and use a drill, but I'd rather not. Alright, first things first. We got install videos, it says on the box. Also, a lifetime warranty. That is very, very important. Comes with the cool RACELAND sticker. Probably going to slap that on my laptop. Just your shipping receipt. And some instructions that pretty much tell you what to do and what not to do. And that's important too. So make sure you read those. Let's crack this guy open. I don't want to drop my liquor. Oh yeah. So previously I had gotten just the base or the standard coilovers for my 2.5 RS that I had. And they're pretty good. I really like them, but these guys look like they come with a little bit more. But I did order those when RACELAND was just first coming out. Oh, sweet. Since I ordered it at Christmas, maybe, I think. This is pretty badass. It's a little coilover keychain deal. I think that's sweet that they threw that in there. Thanks, RACELAND. What's going on my keys? And it came in a sweet little box. That's what you guys saw me fidgeting with. I ripped it, unfortunately, but I didn't know that's what it was, so. You can see my face half the time when I'm talking to you. I don't really care. Alright, so. Here. This would be a front coilover. Quality looks nice, as always. I like the green on the springs. That's one of the main reasons I picked this, but I do know it's because they are different spring rates. The powder coating is nice. The finishing on the sleeve adjusters could have been done a little bit better, but in all honesty, for the price of the coilovers, I'm not disappointed at all. They're already pre-assembled, I don't have to mess with that. And the threads are really smooth. I'm not having any problems with that. They do recommend putting anti-seize on there, which I will be doing. So the front coilover, I'll come and show you guys this up close so you get a little bit better look at it. On the top, we've got that adjustable camber plate. Makes the alignment a little bit easier on these guys. On the back here, it says RACELAND with the, I'm assuming, serial number. Front guy. Tuck that back in there. Get out the rear now. believe this is the rear. No, my bad. That's another front. Look at the rears on the outside of the box, I think. Unless they all just have this little camber plate. No, okay, this is definitely a rear. So same good quality. You can tell the difference because there's no adjustable plate on the top of here, and also the rear shocks are a little bit longer, that way we don't get that saggy butt look. Also because the mount is a little bit higher up in the rear than the front. Also got our bag of goodies. Okay, in this bag we've got our spanners and also the brake line realignment and whatever to go onto the struts. Help you get that stuff out of the way so you're not catching it with your tires. Overall, I am very impressed. Still think it is super awesome that they threw in that little keychain. That makes it worth the while. I'll post another video later whenever I actually have these guys installed. Thanks for watching. I'll try to get a little bit better with my camera technique. I'm not doing a second take. Have a good day.